Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Wanderlust. In this video, we will explore the pathway from Sentinel Caves to the top of the escarpment using the chain ladders, which is the most thrilling and adventurous pathway. Let's go. I have uploaded part 1 of the Tugela escarpment hike on my channel and the link is provided in the description. Please take a moment to check it out. Part 1 concludes at the pair of Sentinel Caves. In the second part, you will join me as we ascend through the chain ladders to reach the top of the escarpment, which is one of the most easiest day hike. Yeah, it's the easiest day hike when compared to the other hikes in the Drakensberg escarpment.
Go.
Okay, so guys, these are the chain ladders. This one here on the left, it was erected in 1930, so it's about 90 years old. The old KZN Parks erected it, which is now known as Isabello. Prior to this, you had to come up the gully. The gully is 150 meter in elevation. This here is only like 50 meters, so it's much quicker and easier. And it's divided into two parts. I think a 15 meter and then a 5 meter. Sorry, so it's 30 meters and gully is 150 meters. So it's way shorter, like a fifth shorter.
Cheers.
Remember, this is the highest, lowest country in the world. So we just see the edge of it. But once you're on top, this is all refuges. So the Zulu name for Drakensberg is Kushlama. And a lot of times, like by August bypass, a lot of the refuges, they come down to South Africa to use our hospitals. Sometimes you see pregnant women going down passes, and these are really steep passes. So it just shows, like, as much as we complain, we actually, to other people, we actually got it easy. Oh. Thanks,
This guy done 3 times. This guy has done 3 times. Up and down. We're gonna do another 3 times.
The hike to the top of the Tugela Waterfalls typically starts at the Sentinel Car Park, which is assessed by the Royal Natal National Park. From there, you will embark on a challenging hike up to the Sentinel Peak via chain ladders, which is one of the iconic peaks in the Drakensberg range. The route is well marked, but it requires a good level of fitness and some hiking experience. Once you reach the Sentinel Peak, you will find the chain ladders that provide access to the Tugela Waterfalls. These ladders are fixed to the rock face and are used to ascend or descend the steep sections of the hike. Climbing the chain ladders can be a thrilling experience, but it's important to exercise caution and use proper safety equipment like helmets and harnesses if necessary. After ascending the chain ladders, you will continue hiking to the top of Tugela Waterfalls, where you will be rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes and the cascading waterfalls. The exact length and duration of the hike can vary depending on your pace and conditions of the trail. It's worthy mentioning that the hike to the top of the Tugela Waterfalls can be physically demanding and may not be suitable for everyone. It's essential to access your fitness level, be prepared with proper hiking gear, carry sufficient water and snacks, and be aware of any potential risk associated with the hike. Remember to always prioritize your safety and adhere to any guidelines or regulations set by the local authorities or park management. As it was my first hike in the top of Drakensberg, I was ill prepared for the sub-zero temperatures during the overnight camping on the escarpment. Additionally, I experienced a severe storm and also unexpected snowfall, which made it impossible to get any sleep.
வெளியில் போய் புல்லோடு ஆச்சு. செம்ம குளிர். கிட்டத்தட்ட 0 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ். இப்போ நான் இருக்கிறது வந்து ட்ராக்கன்ஸ்பர்க் டுகெலா ஃபால்ஸ் மேலே டாப்பில் வந்து இது டென்ட் பிச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Oh my God. சரியான குளிர்.
Thank you for tuning in to this video. In the upcoming one, we will witness a captivating sunrise before descending the escarpment through a scenic gully. Stay tuned for more. Until then, bye bye.